Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel. In this video we will talk about 10 important cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. Before starting our video, if you are new in our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more regular updates. 10 important cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. Key takeaways. In addition, since Bitcoin was introduced more than 10 years ago, the area of cryptocurrencies has grown significantly, and the next big digital token may be introduced tomorrow. According to a wide definition, a cryptocurrency is a type of digital tokens, or coins that reside on a distributed and decentralized ledger known as a blockchain. In terms of market value, user base, and popularity, Bitcoin continues to lead the pack of cryptocurrencies. Decentralized financial, DeFi, systems are being developed with the aid of additional virtual currencies like Ethereum. What are cryptocurrencies? Let's take a step back and quickly define concepts like cryptocurrency and altcoin before we look more closely at some of these alternatives to Bitcoin, BTC. Cryptography is a complex field of study that enables the production and processing of digital currencies, as well as their exchanges across decentralized networks. The crypto in cryptocurrencies refers to this field of study. Other than Bitcoin, we'll look at some of the most significant digital currencies below. But first, a disclaimer: it is impossible for a list like this to be completely exhaustive. One explanation for this is the availability of more than 18,000 cryptocurrencies as of March 2022. Despite the fact that Bitcoin is regarded as a pioneer in the realm of cryptocurrencies, analysts use a variety of techniques to assess tokens other than BTC. Types of altcoins. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are designed to be used for payments, sending value, similar to virtual currency, via a decentralized user network. Some tokens are used for specific purposes. Tokens. Examples include Namecoin, which offers decentralized domain name system, DNS, service for internet addresses, or storage tokens, which enable file sharing over a decentralized network. The term utility tokens refers to them. 1. Ethereum, ETH. The first Bitcoin substitute on our list is Ethereum, ETH. A decentralized platform for building and executing smart contracts and decentralized applications, DApps, free from third-party intervention, fraud, or control. Because people in certain nations who lack governmental infrastructure and official identity may access bank accounts, loans, insurance, and a wide range of other financial goods. This factor makes the consequences for such people more compelling. Additionally, there are blockchain-based tokens created for purposes other than monetary exchange. This is a different method from Bitcoin's POW system, which rewards miners with extra BTCs for processing transactions. 2. Litecoin, LTC. One of the first cryptocurrencies to imitate Bitcoin was Litecoin, LTC, which was introduced in 2011. It is frequently referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Charlie Lee, an MIT graduate and former Google developer, developed it. Litecoin is the 21st largest cryptocurrency in the world as of March 14, 2022, with a market capitalization of $7.4 billion and a token worth per unit of around $106. A cryptocurrency called Cardano, ADA, was developed using a research-based methodology by engineers, mathematicians, and cryptography professionals. It uses the Ouroboros proof-of-stake algorithm. 3. Cardano, ADA. A cryptocurrency called Cardano, ADA, was developed using a research-based methodology by engineers, mathematicians, and cryptography professionals. It uses the Ouroboros proof-of-stake algorithm. The core of Cardano is built on this study. Cardano has also been called the Ethereum killer due to claims that its blockchain can do more. 4. Polkadot, DOT. A distinct POS coin called Polkadot, DOT, aims to foster interoperability between different blockchains. In Polkadot, this idea is referred to as shared security. 5. Bitcoin Cash, BCH. Because it was one of the first and most successful hard forks of the original Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash BCH has a significant role in the history of alternative currencies. One of these splits gave birth to BCH in August 2017. 6. Stellar, XLM. Stellar, XLM, is an open blockchain network. created to connect financial institutions for the purpose of massive transactions, hence providing corporate solutions. Lumens are the native currency of Stellar, XLM. Dogecoin 7, DOGE. Some consider Dogecoin, DOGE, to be the first meme coin. And the coin's skyrocketing value created a stir in 2021. Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, two software programmers, developed Dogecoin in 2013. SHIB. Shiba Inu, SHIB, a meme coin that was based on another meme coin, gained popularity in the autumn of 2021 and temporarily surpassed Dogecoin in terms of market capitalization. 8 Binance Coin, BNB. It ranks third in terms of market capitalization among all cryptocurrencies. A POS consensus model is employed by the network, with one BNB valued at $369.48 as of March 14, 2022. Binance Coin has a market capitalization of $61.0 billion. 9 Tether, USDT. The cost of Tether is closely correlated with the value of the US dollar. 10 Monero, XMR. A safe, private, and undetectable currency is Monero XMR. The importance of cryptocurrencies. Blockchain-based cryptocurrencies enable people to conduct peer-to-peer financial transactions or sign contracts since they are decentralized platforms. What other significant cryptocurrencies exist? Numerous cryptocurrencies have grown in significance or have the potential to do so. Ripple, XRP, Solana, USD Coin, and Tezos are some further significant currencies. Why is Bitcoin the most valuable cryptocurrency today? No guarantees or claims are made by Investopedia on the timeliness or accuracy of the information provided here. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.